Remember this from my bonus unmolding the other day?
This is gonna be a disaster. Hello friends, welcome to today's video. I have a new mold, another new one. I swear I think it's borderline addiction now. I just have to have all the new fun stuff. Okay, so this one is sort of similar to the video that I did on Tuesday of last week, in that you're supposed to use it to make, like, oh, is that? Yeah, that's meant to be like that. Like a ocean diorama kind of thing. But it's like a plastic bag. So like a goldfish that you would win at like a fair or something. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It looked a lot smaller on Amazon. But anyway, the thing about this is you're filling it the opposite direction. So like those little cups, I did the sand first and then filled it with the blue resin. This one I'm going to fill with clear resin. And I don't know what else. I still have a lot of these little, my desk is a mess, these little things. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use one of these in it or if I'm going to do something different like flowers. I'm not quite sure. Let me think on that. And then I guess whatever you see in the video is what I end up doing. Okay? So yeah, without further a-babbling, let's get started. Okay, friends, so I have the rose taped down, and I put it in this cup of warm water to help the bubbles rise up a little bit easier. Oh, I'm hearing my echo. I'm talking to my kids on the phone. Anyway, so just wanted to point that out real quick. All right, let's keep playing with resin.
All right, you're all caught up. Let's go back to that unmolding, shall we?
This is going to be a disaster. I can already tell you, because this superheated really, really quickly. I'm not even sure that it's going to come out of the mold. But we're gonna give it a try. This was a new mold that I got. It's supposed to look like a plastic bag that you would get a goldfish in at like the fair or whatever. And since I had just done the little glasses with fish in it, I didn't want to do fish again. So I was like, well, let me put this flower in here. But yeah, putting this much resin in there at once made it super heat. So that's a thing that happened. So you guys are getting a win and a fail all in one video. How exciting for you. Oh my God. Oh gosh, how do you get it? How do you get this part out? Oh. Oh my God, what a struggle. Oh, I just broke my stem. Oh God. What the hell? Oh, okay. God, it's like giving birth. So this was going to be one of the videos for this week. I'd filmed it and everything, and then realized that the mold superheated, so it wasn't going to work. Yeah. That is so terrible. Oh my gosh. Okay, so lesson learned. Definitely don't pour that much resin in at once. I mean, at least I got the mold off, so I can try this again. But I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. But it superheated so quickly that, like, the bubbles just caused it to completely miss this whole entire part. Like, that's probably just one huge bubble that was in there. And I'm getting resin pieces off of it. But anyway, I mean, it's a cute mold. It would have been very, very cute if it had worked. But it did not. I will say this, the rose held up pretty well. I was worried that it was going to turn like a really ugly brown. But it is still a really pretty red. So anyway,